National Weather Service has issued severe...
Oh boy! What the hell is this? Oh, finally! Suppose that thing didn't go off.
A thunderstorm warning for western Orange County in north central Texas, Jack County in north central Texas, northwestern Hartford County in north central Texas, northeastern Palomino County in north central Texas until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 13 miles northwest of Jacksboro to 6 miles east of Bryson to 7 miles west of Breford, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Finally!
Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Weatherford, Mineral Wells, Bridgeport, Jacksboro, Alvord, Chico, Grayford, Fouville, Paradise, Cool, Lake Mineral Wells, Fort Richardson State Park, Runaway Bay, Millsap, Perrin, Lake Bridgeport, Adele, Advance, Salesville, and Condit. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 402 and 407. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
I thought it was going to be in the way of it.